Hello and welcome to Crew Excellence. If you're watching this video, then surely you are searching for a right cabin crew preparation course. Well, you are at the right place then. My name is Diksha Sen, founder of Crew Excellence Training Academy and your future cabin crew coach. I hold more than 7 years of combined experience into aviation and training industry. I have worked as a senior cabin crew member with reputed airlines, and also I am into training industry from past 2 years. I have trained not just the cabin crew aspirants but also the working professionals to help them excel into their career. I'm a globally recognized and certified soft skill trainer and a corporate facilitator. My main agenda to start this Crew Excellence Academy is to provide the career aspirants with the right guidance and mentorship. I strongly believe अगर मुझे सही टाइम पे एक mentor मिला होता अपने career path में, तो whatever I have achieved now, I would have done that quite earlier. People staying in big cities get these opportunities, but people staying in small cities, living in small cities, cannot get these opportunities. So I thought, why not utilize the digital era technologies and start online academy so that anyone around the globe can join me and get a right mentorship and guidance. I focus on soft skills enhancement, which is exactly what you needed to crack any interview in your life. जो हार्ड स्किल्स होते हैं वो जो एयरलाइन होती है वो आपको ट्रेन कर देती है. तो व्हाट वी फोकस इज जो वो इंटरव्यू में ढूंढ रहे हैं, दैट इज योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स विच इंक्लूड्स योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, योर ग्रूमिंग, योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट, टीम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स, लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ एट्सेट्रा. ये आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होते हैं. नाउ दीज आर नॉट जस्ट लिमिटेड टू इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग या मेकअप. इट्स मोर देन दैट. माई एजेंडा इज प्योरली टू गिव यू अ मेंटोर. Even after completing the courses, you can connect me anytime for any assistance.
I want to give myself also a lesson that why मैं आपसे पहले क्यों नहीं मिली, मेरे इतने पैसे खर्च हो गए. आप आपने सिखाया है, पढ़ाया है, तो इंग्लिश बोलने में इंटरेस्ट भी आ रहा है और मैं प्रैक्टिस भी करती हूँ डेली.
ग्रेजुअली मेरे में इम्प्रूवमेंट आई है एंड मैं बोलती हूँ एटलीस्ट टॉपिक्स होते हैं, बात कर पाते हैं और खुल भी पाई हूँ. पहले तो क्वेश्चन के आंसर भी रेडी नहीं थे, इंट्रोडक्शन तक रेडी नहीं थी, बट जब हमारा फर्स्ट मॉक इंटरव्यू टेस्ट हुआ था देन आई प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ. तभी से कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होना बहुत ज़्यादा शुरू हो गया था.
बट जब मैंने आपकी क्लासेस को ज्वाइन किया, आई फील सो मच कॉन्फिडेंट एंड लाइक पॉजिटिविटी मुझे मिली है.
What is covered in this course is your familiarization into aviation industry so that you can gain some confidence. Then your grooming, which is not just limited to makeup or hairstyle classes, it's much more than that. Communication skills development, which is again not limited to English speaking, but it's much more than that. How to improve or enhance your vocals, your notes, confidence, body language, how to deliver your speech or your answers. Interview preparation entirely. क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है रिक्रूटर की आपसे, क्या सर्व करना है आपको टेबल में, कैसे आंसर ड्राफ्ट करने हैं, कैसे ग्रुप डिस्कशन में परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे रिज्यूमे बिल्डअप करना है कि आप अपना इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर सकें. If you are someone who's looking for some great personality development, enhancement in your personality, right guidance and mentor, and you are ready to give a dedication practice, then this course is for you. And trust me, you will definitely crack your cabin crew interview. But if you're someone who's just looking for कोई job दिला दे, कोई placement दिला दे, कोई answers बता दे and I will give the questions, then no. This course is not for you. I would say this profession is not for you. If you're someone who's just looking for shortcuts, you cannot achieve anything in your life. What's the price? Very basic. This is the value of my time, my experience, what I'm giving to you, and nothing extra. Apart from it, it's online, live online sessions, so you can join from anywhere around the world, but you will be interacting with me live. So you can ask your questions, you can practice, you can participate in the session then and there. It's not the recorded sessions or you have to raise your queries or something like that. It's more about interactive session and providing you with the platform where you can learn and grow together. That's all. Happy learning.